Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is April. Thank you for stopping by. Please consider subscribing and please hit the bell so you'll be notified when I post new videos. I have a fun project for you today. We'll be doing a Farmhouse Thanksgiving Gather Sign. I'm excited about today's video. I really fell in love with this sign. My husband and I stopped by Dollar General and I got it for only $6, so I was excited about that. I'm starting by taking off the cardboard protective coverings. And this home sign stencil, I got it on Walmart quite a while ago. And I'm going to cut off the top part of the stencil to use it on the sign. So I'm just trimming it and placing it. So I'm using acrylic paint rather than the chalk paint. And I'm using a foam brush and it worked really well. I was really pleased with it. So I'm just dabbing the paint, holding it down with my fingers so that it doesn't slide around. And there was a stencil at the top and the bottom of that home stencil, so I'm using both sides. Again, I'm just using the foam brush. I'm really happy with how the stenciling turned out. I'm just doing a little touch-up on the gather sign. There were 2 or 3 little black spots on there. I'm using some of the really pretty fall flowers that I got at Michael's. And I'm just gluing them down. Make sure to wear your finger protectors from this hot glue. I burned myself several times in the last 2 projects, even with the protectors on. Some of the glue fell on my knuckles and different things, and one finger even had a really bad blister on it from it. So make sure you're really careful. You can decorate this gather sign or any sign that you'd want to use for the holidays, and use whatever kind of decoration at the bottom that you'd like. I wanted to use some fall leaves and pine cones and berries, but you could use ribbon if you'd like, or just a number of things. Looks like I'm trying to put the berries on in the wrong way. Oh, there we go. Good. I knew I got it right eventually. I love these berries. I have 2 or 3 stems of those kind of berries in different colors. I really, really like them. Adding a few more leaves, just cutting them apart so that I can place them in different areas. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite Thanksgiving side dish is. My family really loves macaroni salad, and I know that sounds really kind of odd for Thanksgiving dinner, but my mother has made that since I was a little girl, and that was a long time ago. Anyway, and I started making it for my kids too when they were little, and they're adults with their own families now, and it's still a family favorite. My very favorite is pumpkin roll. Oh, I love it. It's so good. So yummy. We have a new little grandson that's being born on the 17th of November, so just 12 days from now. We're very excited to meet him. He has 3 older sisters, age 4, 3, and 2, that are very excited to meet him. And so we're just really excited that he's coming just before Thanksgiving. And it's a day after our anniversary, so that'll be a fun time this year. So I added just a little bit of burlap ribbon at the very top of the flowers and leaves. Just grabbing a few more pine cones. I decided not to antique the word gather. I liked it with the bright white. I have a lot of white furniture in my house, and I think it will go really nicely with it. Just trimming the ribbon. I think it turned out really cute, but I have one more thing I want to add. I bought a string of these wooden beads, and I think I got them at Walmart. And so I'm just going to put a little bit of stain on them. So I just put a little bit in, and I'm just covering them all with the foam brush in the bowl. They're a little bit dark from what I have planned on using them for, so I am going to be wiping off a lot of that stain. You have to work really fast though, because it stains very quickly. Oh, I had such a time with those beads. They were rolling all over the table, and I was chasing them. This made me think of when the grandkids are over here. We're chasing those little cuties all over the place. So I'm just wiping them off with a paper towel. And I think they turned out really pretty. So now I'm just going to attach them on the back. I strung the beads with just the string that they came with, and then tied a knot on one end. The other end already had something to secure it, the beads in place. So what I'm doing right now that you can't see is hot gluing the beads on one part of the back of the sign. Now I'm doing the same on this side. And I actually went ahead and put some E6000 on there as well. And then I'm putting more hot glue. And we're finished with our beautiful gather sign. It's time for the final reveal of our Farmhouse Thanksgiving Gather Sign. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the content of this video, please subscribe. I would love for you to join my YouTube family. Until we meet again, be brave, be kind, and be loving.